Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to compare Monday.com and Airtable. Both of these platforms help you manage your work and projects, but they do it in different ways and are built for different kinds of teams. In this video, I'm going to cover their features, pricing, user interface, support, and much more. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clear idea of which platform might work best for you and your team. So let's jump right in and break everything down in a simple way. So first off, let's talk about Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system designed to help teams plan, track, and manage their work in one place. It is used across various industries, for marketing and sales to software development and construction, making it a versatile choice for many organizations. What sets Monday.com apart is its high level of customization. So you can tailor it to match your workflow, whether you need a straightforward to-do list or a detailed project timeline. The platform offers multiple views like calendars, timelines, and Kanban boards, which makes it very visual and easy to follow. On the other hand, Airtable is a modern database and collaboration platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. Airtable is designed for creative teams, project managers, and even non-technical users who want to organize information in a more flexible way. Unlike traditional tools, Airtable allows you to build custom applications with minimal technical knowledge. Its interface is simple yet powerful, letting you create and customize bases for anything from project tracking to inventory management. Airtable's versatility is one of its biggest strengths, and it appeals to teams that appreciate a tool that can be molded into virtually any solution. While it might look like a spreadsheet at first glance, its underlying database features unlock the potential of much more complex workflows. Now let's compare the user interface of both platforms. Monday.com has a simple, colorful, and modern design that's easy to use. The layout is very intuitive, featuring drag and drop functionality that makes moving tasks and projects around feel natural and fun. Despite the vast range of customization options, the overall design remains uncluttered and easy to navigate. New users often find Monday.com welcoming and straightforward, although it might take a little time to explore all of the available features fully. In contrast, Airtable has a clean, minimalistic design that resembles a spreadsheet, but with added flexibility. Its interface is simple, which makes it easy for beginners to get started quickly without feeling overwhelmed by too many options. The way Airtable organizes data in grid, calendar, and gallery views allows users to see their information in formats that suit different needs. Even though the interface is less dynamic than Monday.com's, it is highly functional and it lets you concentrate on getting work done without unnecessary distractions. Next, let's dig into the core features of Monday.com and Airtable to see what each tool does best and where they might fall a little short. So Monday.com is all about giving you a clear and visual way to manage your work. One of its biggest strengths is the ability to create highly customizable workflows. You can set up boards that match the way your team works, whether that's a simple list or a complex project timeline. The platform comes with a rich library of templates that can help you get started quickly so that you don't have to build everything from scratch. A standout feature of Monday.com is its automation. So you can create rules that automatically move tasks, change statuses, or send notifications when something happens, especially when you're juggling multiple projects. Another great aspect of Monday.com is its real-time collaboration features. Team members can update tasks, leave comments, and share files directly on the platform. This means that everyone is always up to date no matter where they're working from. The tool also integrates with many popular apps like Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, and more, so you can connect your favorite tools with your project management system. Moreover, Monday.com has a mobile app that lets you stay connected even when you're away from your computer, which is really handy for busy teams. Turning to Airtable, this tool shines in its flexibility and ease of use when it comes to handling data. Airtable lets you build custom bases, which are essentially databases that you can set up to track just about anything. You can create tables for projects, tasks, or even inventories and link records between them to create a more complete picture of your work. One of the coolest things about Airtable is its range of views. The grid view looks like a classic spreadsheet, which is great for data entry and analysis, while the calendar view helps you keep track of dates and deadlines. The gallery view is perfect for when you need to show images or more visual data, and the Kanban view lets you manage tasks in a board format similar to Monday.com. This variety means that Airtable can be adapted to many different uses, from simple lists to complex project management. Hey, quick interruption here. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link in the description of this video and check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about pricing and see how Monday.com and Airtable compare when it comes to cost. Monday.com offers 5 main pricing tiers. The free plan is $0 a month for up to 2 seats, and it gives individuals or small teams basic task organization. The basic plan costs $9 per person each month, and it gives you more storage and higher item limits. At $12 per seat per month, the standard plan adds timeline views and a moderate amount of automations and integrations. For $19 per seat per month, the Pro plan unlocks private boards, time tracking, and more generous automation limits. Finally, enterprise pricing is custom, designed for larger organizations needing advanced security, governance, and premium support. Airtable, on the other hand, has 4 primary tiers. The free plan offers unlimited bases, 1,000 records per base, and up to 5 editors, making it a solid entry point for small teams. The team plan costs $20 per person per month when billed annually. It gives you more space for records and automations, plus tools like Gantt and timeline views to help manage projects better. The business plan costs $45 per person per month, and it includes everything in the team plan, plus features like two-way syncing, more record space, and a special admin panel for better control. Finally, the enterprise scale plan has custom pricing designed for big companies. It offers advanced security, on-premise syncing, and more powerful admin tools to meet large business needs. Next, let's look at the customer support options available for both platforms, because good support can make a huge difference when you're learning a new tool. So Monday.com is known for its strong customer support system. They offer a detailed help center filled with articles, how-to guides, and video tutorials that cover almost every feature on the platform. If you ever get stuck or you have a question, you can also reach out via email or live chat, and if you're on one of the higher tiered plans, you might even get priority support. Airtable also has a solid support setup, though it takes a slightly different approach. Airtable provides extensive online documentation and a user-friendly help center where you can search for answers to common questions. They also have an active community forum where users share ideas, tips, and solutions to common challenges. For direct assistance, you can contact Airtable via email, and while they don't offer phone support, many users find that the online resources are more than enough to solve their problems. So, which platform should you choose? The answer really depends on what your team needs and how you like to work. If you're looking for a tool that is visually engaging, easy to set up, and offers lots of ready-to-use project management features, then Monday.com might be the better option for you. On the other hand, if you need a tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power to build custom databases, then Airtable is a good choice. Airtable is perfect for those who want to organize data in a flexible way and build their own workflows from scratch. So that's it for this comparison, and I hope this video has helped clear up the difference between Monday.com and Airtable and made it easier for you to decide which is best for your team. Now, if you enjoyed this breakdown and you found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.